How to add or change your go live notification message on your stream on Twitch PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Just go to Twitch. This is the home page. Now go to the top corner, click here, click on settings. After click on settings, now all what you have to do is click on channel and videos, and now all what you have to do is click right here on stream manager. Now all what you have to do is click on edit stream info, and here you will find go live notification, and you will be able to change the message as you can see. For example, live on, for example, and click done. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later, and thank you so much for watching.